We guide you through how to do face color correction in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut and import your video, then tap on the clip in the timeline. Select Adjust from the bottom menu and start by fine-tuning the brightness to make the face clearer without overexposing the skin. Next, adjust the contrast to add depth and make facial features stand out naturally. Increase saturation slightly to bring healthy skin tones back into the video. Then use highlights to reduce overlay bright areas on the forehead or cheeks. Lower shadows if needed to balance darker areas of the face and create smoother look. For better skin color, adjust temperature, move it slightly warmer if the face looks pale or colder if it appears too orange. Use tint carefully to correct any green or magenta color cast. Once you are satisfied, play back the video to compare the before and after results. Make small adjustments until the skin tone looks natural and consistent throughout the clip.